Try hiking instead of riding this time. Rowan, we're going this way. There you go. Whoop!
Making his own trail.
Rowan, this way. Over here, buddy. So that was the end of his hiking on his own. He's ready to ride now for the rest of the, for the rest of the hike. Water break. He really likes that Camelback. Back there, just checking on him. Oh, he's fighting the sleep monster. I think he's losing that battle. We're about 40 minutes into the hike. This is typically the time where he falls asleep. He's fighting it. He's been having a good time back there now. Every once in a while he just goes a little, there you go. Just goes a little nuts. Sways side to side. Having a good time. Checking everything out.